Good morning. This is Fluency for our grade 3 work in Module 1, Lesson 14. This morning what we're going to start with is reading tape diagrams. And so we're going to look at this tape diagram. And the first question there is, what is the value of each unit? And as you look at that, you should be able to see, well, there are 2 stars in that first unit. So the value of each unit is 2. Whoops, oh, my pen isn't working. I should probably get that marked up. So there are 2. And how many units are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. So what would be a multiplication sentence for this tape diagram if we're thinking, what would we want? Well, we'd want to find that total, right? So if we look at this and say, well, a multiplication sentence for this might be 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And that would be our multiplication sentence, or 5 times 2, because we have 5 units of 2 each equals 10. All right, let's look at some more. We're going to do some more. We're going to, this time they've given us a multiplication sentence. 4 times 3 equals 12. So that 4 at the beginning indicates, well, that is going to be the total number of units. So we'll have 4 units. It's going to equal 12, so that's our total. So we want to indicate that, our total. And then if we want 4 units of 3. So you can choose to do that however you want. For me, I think I'm just going to draw some little dots. And that's the easiest and the quickest. And there we go. So we have 4 units with 3 in each unit, and that is equal to 12. The next sentence they give you there is a division sentence. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So 8 is what? 8 is going to be our total, right? And if we divide that into 4 parts, then each of those parts, if we take that total of 8, divide it into 4, there's our 8. And 8 divided by 4, and when we divvy out our 8, we find that we have 2 in each part. The next one, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So we're going to have a similar situation. Whoops, I forgot to label that as 8. We'll draw our tape diagram. Our total there is 15. We're going to divide that into 3 parts. And then if we took that 15 and said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, well, we would have 5 in each of those parts, which matches our division sentence there. Alrighty, let's look at the next set of things that we're going to, actually, that was it. So that's it for Fluency today. I hope you have a good day.